Hey, I hope you are participating in our school's parade for Independence Day.
Yeah, of course. I am taking part in the parade. You are participating in it too, right?
Yes, I am also giving my participation.
Perfect. It is a very different feeling of pride and courage, especially on Independence Day.
Yeah. These two are special days dedicated to our country.
It is Independence Day when India got freedom as a country.
Yes, I know about that. We have been taught this in our history class, isn't it?
Totally. Our history and cultures are filled with diversity and are very motivating to know about it.
Yes. You see how the times have changed from ancient to modern. But India is still grounded in its roots and culture. It is a sense of pride when we realize that we value our culture and every being of the country.
As a person, India gives a lot to learn and explore oneself. It is not just a country. It is a whole feeling that we will never be able to have in any other country.
Yes, there are so many religions, so many languages, and so many people to learn, grow, and explore.
Exactly. India is full of heterogeneity.
Yes, people coming from so many different backgrounds and cultures makes the country more colorful and joyous.
Well, this is our 75th Independence Day and we have to participate in this occasion with full enthusiasm.
Yes. Let's get into practice for our 75th Independence Day parade in our school. All the students are participating in it. It'll be exciting and fun.
Yeah. Let's show how powerful we are as a country.